Okay, the next one, I've used 50 ml of dihydromercenol. That's 50 milliliter. You see? By the way, I've used the glycolide, remaining glycolide, and it's not turning into cloudy. It's still very crystal clear. A lot of cummering need mixing though. Right. For this time, what I can smell is the smell of apple, and it will gradually change into a background. So CI is 3. Be careful. Don't use too much. Okay. The next thing we need is citronol. Citronol is citrus smell, very strong. So I need to use small quantities. I begin with roughly 20 ml. If I feel like, if I want to add more, it's a top note. If I need to put more, then I can control it afterwards. But if I put it at this stage too much, what's going to happen? It's going to give me just a smell of lemon or citrusy, which I don't want. Okay, so I'm just using 20 ml of citronol. Citronellol. Sorry for pronunciation. But okay, this one goes in there.